Now let's dive into the colorful world of fashion and design, where the color wheel reigns supreme. Understanding how colors interact and complement each other is a game changer in creating a polished and harmonious outfit for any professional setting. So buckle up as we explore the magic of the color wheel and its role in elevating your style to new heights. Let's look at unraveling the mastery of the color wheel. Think of the color wheel as an ultimate guide to creating a visually pleasing combinations. It's the spectrum of colors which are arranged in a circle, and each hue harmonizes with the next in its unique way. From vibrant primaries to subtle pastels, the color wheel is a treasure for possibilities which are waiting to be explored. Let's explore some color schemes. Firstly, we have complementary colors. These are the colors which are sitting opposite the color wheel, creating a bold and a striking contrast. Pairing complementary colors such as blue and orange and red and green can add a visual effect and interest, as well as vibrancy to your assembled without overwhelming the eye. Second, we have analog colors. Analog colors sit adjacent to each other on the color wheel, which creates a harmonious and cohesive palette. Think of shades of blue which are paired with green or yellows which are paired with orange. Analog color schemes often are subtle yet sophisticated where look is concerned, and it is perfect for professional settings. Thirdly, we have monochrome colors. Monochromatic schemes involve using variations of the same color from light to dark. This creates a clean, polished and effortless chic look. For example, pairing different shades of blue or grey can result in sophistication for monochromatic assembled colors that are both timeless and elegant. Now that you've understood the three types of colors, let's put theory into practice. Some practical examples of color combination that can work like a charm in professional settings are navy blue and mustard yellow. Second, you have an option of burgundy and cream. Third, olive green and tan. And four, charcoal gray and blush pink. These combinations strike a perfect balance between professionalism and style, ensuring that you make a remarkable impression wherever you go. Embrace your palette, and at the end of the day, the color wheel is your playground. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations and find out what works best for you. Let your creativity shine, and as you play with the hues, tones and shades to craft your outfit, it will definitely reflect your personality and professionalism. So the next time you put together your professional attire, remember the color wheel. It is your best friend. Hence, use it wisely and watch your outfits come to life with vibrancy, harmony and style. Here's to embracing the journey of color, fashion and design, one hue at a time.